My dear technician, check this out. So this is a Bluetooth speaker. So one of my technicians brought this Bluetooth speaker to me for repair. Check this out. This is the PCB. They have worked on it already. They try, it's not working. So I'm going to try my best. What I discover here, camera come close. Check this out. Right here, we have a transistor. You can see there was a transistor. So the technician that worked on this PCB before removed the transistor. You can see the transistor. You can see that the transistor have physical damage. The transistor is not working. It's not giving the accurate voltage. Something is wrong with the transistor. If you look at the transistor number, you see that this is a voltage regulator. For some people, they will not understand. That's why it's good to understand components. Once you understand components, you will know the types and their functions. For example, we have different types of transistor. You have the switching one, you have voltage regulator, you have amplifier, you have different types. So once you know types and their function, you'll be able to fix the issue. So right now, I want to show you how you can be able to fix it. You can see the transistor. This is the transistor and this is a voltage regulator. My dear technician, I will not tell you the value and the voltage that this voltage regulator is giving. If you want to learn more, feel free to come to my physical class. Come and learn. There are a lot of things I will teach you. Come and learn. Come to my physical class. I will teach you. Okay? Check this out. Right here, you can see the connections. We have the input, we have the output, and we have the ground. Yes, like I said, this is a transistor. Transistor have input, transistor have output, and transistor have ground. Have in mind that transistor is an active component, okay? Have in mind that transistor is an active component. It's not like resistor. Yes, resistors are passive component, while transistors are active component. Take note. So this one that you're seeing here is not good. For some people, they will be looking for exactly this type of transistor. But for me, since I know the regulated voltage of this transistor, I know everything about it, I will not look for the same one. Here I have another type. This is the same transistor, but this one is bigger than the other one. You can see this is a deep pin, not a surface mount transistor, but both of them do the same thing. The only difference is that this one gives higher amps than the other one, but both the two regulate the same voltage. Check this out. My dear technician, even without looking for the same type of SMD, you can even use deep pin for this and it will work. Yes, if you don't want to call it deep pin, you call it through hole transistor because they have long legs, they have long pins. Check this out. So this is what I will be using to fix the issue. My dear technician, it's good to study component. Once you study component, you'll be able to fix it. Let's get started. My dear technician, before you start work, have in mind that there is what we call NPN and PNP. Yes, understand that. If not, you will not be able to connect it because some transistors are NPN, some are PNP. So take note. Like this one, we have NPN and PNP, so they are not the same. Like I said before, if you want to learn more, you're free, come to my physical class and learn. Check this out. By the technician, check this out. I first of all apply glue. Yes, because I want the transistor to be stable. I don't want it to shake. Check this out. Apply lead. Very simple. Apply lead here to the ground. The middle is the ground. Check this out. Check this out. Make sure you scratch. I want to connect the ground now. The ground is everywhere on the PCB. Take note. I'm sure you know ground. Yes, technicians, you know. Connect ground to ground. You may ask, Father Joe, what is ground? The ground is a negative, okay? Ground is a negative. Take note. Connect, positive. This is the positive input. Please be very, very careful. Do not allow it to short, okay? Connect the positive input where your 8 volt will enter. Please be very, very careful. Do not allow it to short. Please check this out. Make sure you do clean work for your customer. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out, my dear technician. You don't need to stress yourself. Check this out. I will be done. 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 My dear technician, check this out. So right here you can see the output. So output will go straight to output. Connect it to output. This is the output. I'm done. My dear technician, I'm done. I'm done. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. I'm done. My dear technician, do this for your customer. Collect money. Enjoy your life, bro. Enjoy your life. Buy tools. Work hard. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. You can see I'm confirming my work. Check this out. I'm confirming my work. Check this out. It's done. You can see. It's done. So the next thing now is for me to play music. Music. My dear technician, check this out. I'm done. You can see the connection. Very simple. So in case you don't have the exactly component, the exactly transistor, you can get something like this. It's available. You guys know where they are selling this thing, okay? I don't need to explain unless you want to know it. Come to my DM, come to my chat and ask me. I'm done. Check this out. So let me test it for you guys to see. These are the speakers. This one goes here. This one goes here. And this one goes here. Good. So this is the battery. And 1, 2, ready and go. Wow. Video me guys. It's on. It's 100% fixed. So let me connect it and play music again. Let me play music. I want you guys to enjoy, okay? Let me play music. Let me play music. MD something. Yeah. Okay. Guys, just wait for me to play. Okay, allowed. Wow, correct. My dear technician, check this out. They was the truck.
In 2009, a journey began. Father Joe phone repairs, fixing phones for everyone.
Let's go.
With a passion for tech and a heart of gold.
Wow, let's go, guys.
Serving the community, stories
100%
untold.
fixed. Check this out.
Happy anniversary, Father Joe phone repairs.
Let's go. My dear technician, I'm done. If you have any questions, like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye for now.